Hi. If you're watching this, it probably means you're new to Atomy, or you've already signed up and now you're not quite sure what to do next. If that's you, I want you to relax. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Now let me say this clearly from the start. There's no pressure here, and you don't need to decide anything today. You don't need to buy everything, and you don't need to become a salesperson. This space is for understanding first. Atomy is built on a very simple idea: replacing the things you already use at home with better quality and fairly priced products. Some people stay happy consumers, and some people later explore the business side. You don't need to know which one you are yet. Many people feel stuck after signing up for Atomy because they're afraid to ask questions. They worry, if I ask, will I be pressured? I understand that, totally, because I've been there. So here is your only job right now: not to decide, not to commit, and not to explain this to anyone. Your job is simply to observe and learn calmly. In the next video, What's Next After Signing Up, I'll walk you through how to explore Atomy step by step, without guessing and without pressure. Whenever you're ready, watch that next. You don't owe anyone a yes, but you do owe yourself the chance to understand before deciding. I'm glad you're here.